Alright, so who uses foot pedals anymore? So this video is about amperage controllers that are attached to your TIG torch. I have a company called Hot Lights Welding, and I make amperage controllers for TIG welders. This one is it's called the THINSPIN. And when you buy these controllers, they come with a 25-foot wiring harness and a plug that you can attach. So if you buy a different type, a different model of controller, they run $65 a piece, and you can plug them right into the wiring harness that comes with it. Certain situations, certain jobs, different angles, some just work better than others. It's not that complicated. But this one is the THINSPIN. Has a button right here. You can also use this as, for like an on and off. You can actually set the amps right here on your torch and just hit the button, and that's the high frequency that'll start the arc. And there's a little dial right here that controls the amperage, so up and down, or just cruise control. So this one is called the THINSPIN. So today I'm going to be using the THINSPIN with the Prime Weld 225. There's really not much to say about this welder. Everybody knows about Prime Weld. You can't beat it. It's, they're really good welders. I mean, I've been using similar type welders like this for over 10 years. There's nothing really fancy about it, but that's what I like about it. I'm just gonna do a little, just show you how the controller works, but it's not really much to say about this welder. Everybody knows about it. I mean, you can't go wrong with this machine, and the customer service is great. And if you're in this line of work, you know what machines after a while just work and which ones don't work. And the Prime Weld is definitely a go-to welder for me. It's pretty straightforward. It's not like crazy settings you gotta figure out. It just works, and at the end of the day, at least for me, that's what I want. All right, we got the machine switched on, and I'm gonna give you a little sample right here. The THINSPIN amperage controller. Okay, so that was a demonstration on, the amperage controller, using the controller to control the amps. Now I'm going to give you a little demonstration, just like using it as a on and off. It's hot, but you can see it works great for both. So the way this works, I think I showed you earlier, but it has a little dial here, and you just spin it, and a button that starts the arc. This is the THINSPIN, and this is Hot Lights Welding. Thanks for watching.